The bookstore is having a sale and it costs $44 for 8 books. At this rate, how much would it cost for 6 books? So I plug that into this table right here. But there's not one easy step I can do to go from 8 to 6. So I'm going to go ahead and simplify first. I'm going to do a 2-step problem. So I'm going to simplify and work this way down to something that's going to work with 6. And 8 and 44, I know I can divide those both by 4. That's going to be a common factor. Remember that when working with rates, I have to divide both the top and the bottom by the same number to make those equivalent. 8 divided by 4 is 2. 44 divided by 2 is 11. Now I can use this simplified rate to move over to the cost for 6 books. If 2 books cost $11, how many do 6 books cost? And I can multiply 2 times 3 is going to be 6. So I have to multiply the bottom by the same number, and 11 times 3 is 33. So it is going to be $33 for 6 books.